Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Tech. Hope everyone is doing great. Viewers, right now in front of you Canon G2410 Ink Tank Printer, and you can see the issue on the screen. P08 error is showing on the screen. Viewers, this error occurs due to empty ink cartridges. Okay, this printer has before ink cartridges were empty, and just I now fill the tanks, and but still there is error. Today I will teach you how to fix this error P08 error. There are two or three ways to fix this. First of all, I will tell you about manually without connecting this printer to the computer. With the help of these buttons, we can recover this P08 error. Okay, stay with me, watch the complete video and follow the same steps. Yes viewers, first of all I will turn it off. Okay, turn it off the printer, because we cannot start the process until the printer will be on the ready state. Turn it on. Okay, it's booting up. Let it turn on. Then when this light will stop flashing, then we will start our process. Okay viewers, press the setting button. This is a setting button. When you will press the setting button, you will find over here one tool sign. Okay, then you have to press the plus button for 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 time this, then press the black button. Process is running. Viewers, don't forget that while during this process, don't try to turn it off the printer, because it's not taking almost 10 minutes. So don't remove the power cord. Okay, it's came to ready state now, and it consumes a bit amount of ink. Okay, it was full tank before, now little less. Here is same also. Now I will give the copy command to black, and we'll see if there is an error. No, now there is no more error P08. Okay, let's see. It is stuck also. Okay, this I printed. Now the copy the black page. That's fine, and there is no issue with the printer now. Hope you understand the method. I will repeat again. Viewers, right after turn it on, in the ready state, when the power light is stable, press the setting button, then plus button for 9 times I think press, then it will show here 10. Then you have to press the black button. Make sure that your ink tanks must be full, so this problem will be resolved, the error will be recovered. If you have any questions regarding Canon any series, G2000 series, G3010 series, ask me in comments. I will reply your questions. And thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye.